Hi, I'm Sophia, and in this video, I want to tell you about my experience with ProDentim, and whether it's really worth it. I've been using it for 4 months now, and in this time I've seen a lot of changes, and I want to share them with you. So if you want to improve your oral health and are looking for testimonials from people who have actually used it, stay until the end of the video and I'll share everything, remembering that I left the official ProDentim website in the description and in the first comment. Then go there and check out the other testimonials too. Well, for years I struggled with gingivitis and the feeling that my oral hygiene routine wasn't enough. What's more, the discovery that many traditional products contain toxic ingredients made me even more concerned about my oral health. Imagine finding a product that not only solves these problems but also goes further, offering a natural and innovative approach backed by scientific studies. That ProDentim is much more than just a probiotic for oral health. It's a revolutionary formula that combines 3.5 billion probiotics with clinically proven natural ingredients to promote gum health, reduce inflammation, and maintain a healthy oral environment. With ingredients such as Lactobacillus paracasi, B. lactase BL04R, and Lactobacillus rotari, ProDentim not only replenishes the beneficial bacteria in the mouth but also strengthens the immune system and improves respiratory health. My experience with ProDentim has been life-changing. Since I started using it, my gingivitis has improved significantly. The sensitivity in my teeth has decreased and the long-lasting freshness in my breath is remarkable. My boyfriend compliments it a lot. What's more, the feeling of knowing that I'm using a GMO-free, stimulant-free, and non-addictive product gives me peace of mind. If you want to be praised for your oral health, take the opportunity to get to know ProDentim. On the official website, you have a 100% money-back guarantee if you don't like the product. I guarantee you'll enjoy it as much as I did. I've given you the official website in the description and in the first comment. Remember, your oral health is an investment in your quality of life. Don't let problems like gingivitis and tooth sensitivity get in the way of your daily life. Try ProDentim and feel the difference in the first few days.